You tug the hose across the lawn, it catches on a chair leg, knocks over a pot, then somehow twists itself into a wet rubber knot. That is the moment a retractable hose reel starts looking less like a luxury and more like garden sanity. Today, we're ranking the 7 best options for cleaner, easier watering. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Glehoden. Right away, this one feels built for people who are tired of wrestling with the hose before they even water anything. The Glehoden uses a 1/2 inch by 100 foot hose, so it gives you serious reach without leaving coils all over the patio. The dual ratchet locking system is the star here. You pull out the length you need, it locks accurately, and you are not dragging 30 extra feet through flower beds like a garden villain. The slower self-winding system also matters because a fast-snapping hose can be genuinely stressful. This is the one I'd recommend for larger yards, balcony corners, and anyone who wants precise hose control without constant tangles. The self-aligning guide helps the hose rewind neatly, which is the difference between done watering and now I have another chore. It also has a strong wall mount, a quick release design, and a 9-pattern nozzle. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Vevor L15. This is the practical pick for people who want retractable convenience, but do not need a huge 100-foot setup. The Vevor L15 gives you a 50-foot main hose plus a 5-foot leader hose, which is enough for patios, medium yards, garages, and front walkways. What stands out is the controlled rewind. Instead of violently yanking itself back like it is angry at you, the hose returns slowly and more safely. That makes it nicer around pets, kids, planters, and ankles, which are apparently hose magnets. This makes the most sense for smaller homes, townhouses, and anyone upgrading from a loose hose pile for the first time. The locking system lets you stop at the length you need, so watering one planter does not require unrolling the whole thing. You also get a 180-degree swivel mount and a 9-pattern nozzle for plants, cars, pets, and driveway cleanup. The limitation is reach. For a big backyard, 50 feet may leave you wishing for more hose. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Hainan. The Hainan is for the person who wants long reach, strong pressure handling, and fewer annoying hose habits. With a 100-foot hose plus a 6.6-foot leader hose, it can reach deep into a yard without making you move the reel every few minutes. The automatic rewind system is smooth, and the reinforced steel spring is built for serious repeated use. I like that it has a slow retract design because the hose comes back calmly instead of snapping across the patio like a jump rope with attitude. This is a great fit for families, gardeners, and homeowners who want one reel to cover multiple zones, from vegetable beds to car washing to patio cleanup. The hose is a 3-layer polyvinyl chloride design with brass fittings, a strong burst rating, and resistance to kinks and twisting. The 10-pattern nozzle gives you a little more spray variety than most. The small criticism is weight. A larger reel like this needs careful mounting, especially on fences or softer wood. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Aquazilla. The Aquazilla has a very useful middle ground personality. It is bigger than a compact 50-foot reel, but not as oversized as some full backyard monsters. With a 65-foot hose and a 6-foot leader hose, it fits many suburban yards beautifully. The free lock and automatic rewind system is simple. Pull to the length you want, stop, water, then give it a short tug and let it retract. The front hose guide and non-snag rollers help reduce abrasion, which is important because rough rewinding is what slowly ruins cheaper reels. This is the one I'd recommend for people who want a sturdy everyday hose reel for gardens, patios, and outdoor cleaning without paying for the most premium name. The 9-pattern sprayer covers the usual jobs, from gentle watering to stronger rinsing. I also like the 180-degree swivel because it lets you move naturally instead of fighting the angle. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Vevor S40. If your yard is wide, awkward, or just annoyingly spread out, the Vevor S40 starts to make a lot of sense. You get a 100-foot hose and a 6-foot lead hose, giving it the reach needed for large gardens, far corners, and driveways where short hoses give up too early. The ratchet locking system lets you stop at almost any useful length, which saves time and keeps the hose from dragging across mulch, furniture, or freshly watered plants. The slow rewind system is also a big quality of life feature. It pulls the hose back steadily instead of turning cleanup into a safety warning. This is the one I'd recommend for bigger yards and anyone who waters multiple areas in one session. The The triple-layer polyvinyl chloride hose, brass connection, and strong pressure testing give it a dependable feel for regular outdoor use. It also swivels 180 degrees and includes a 9-pattern nozzle. The trade-off is size. This is not the neat little reel for a tiny balcony. It wants a proper wall and room to work. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Aliad. The Aliad earns its spot here because it focuses on the part many hose reels ignore, the hose itself. The rubber hybrid hose is designed to stay flexible in cold and hot weather, which is a big deal if your old hose turns stiff every time the temperature drops. It is kink-resistant, abrasion-resistant, and rated for strong working and burst pressure. In normal human terms, that means fewer leaks, fewer annoying bends, and less stopping mid-watering to shake the hose like you are mad at it. This makes the most sense for people who want durability across seasons. Gardeners in colder climates, car washers, patio cleaners, and anyone who hates cheap hoses will appreciate it. The dual ratchet lock holds the hose at any length, while the guide helps it rewind evenly. The slow return system keeps retraction controlled, and the 180-degree swivel mount gives you wide coverage without twisting the reel. The 24-month warranty adds confidence too. The only catch is that premium hose materials usually make the reel feel a bit heavier. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Gardena. This pick deserves a spot in this video because it feels like the safest recommendation for most people. It is not just about having a retractable hose. It is about making the whole watering routine calmer, cleaner, and less irritating. The auto-lock system holds the hose where you need it, while the tangle-free guide helps prevent twists and messy rewinds. Then, roll control technology brings the hose back slowly and safely, which is exactly what you want when the reel is mounted near patio furniture, pets, or bare ankles. This is the one I'd recommend for buyers who want a polished, long-term garden setup instead of a temporary fix. It makes watering beds, rinsing tools, and cleaning outdoor spaces feel more organized. The 180-degree swivel bracket keeps movement natural, and the wall bracket can store accessories like nozzles, wands, and brushes. That small detail makes the whole station tidier. The drawback is that Gardena can cost more than basic options. But for daily gardeners, the smoothness and reliability are worth it. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best retractable garden hose reels you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.